Hello, everyone. So I found something. I was just sitting in the kitchen reading a magazine. Oh, wait. No, I don't remember it like that. I think that's wrong. That's better. That's exactly how I remember it. So I was just sitting just like this in the kitchen reading a magazine when I stumbled across something really interesting in the classified ads section. This really caught my eye. You know me, I love a good Amish cookbook. I went ahead and looked up Mio, Michigan. And as you can see here from my Google Foo, that there is a sizable Amish and Mennonite community in this town, which got me really excited. So I went ahead and ordered it. And guess what came in? I'm so excited. Let me show you. And here it is. I'm so excited. You can see it comes from Mio, Michigan. And I got this really cute little note on the cover. Let's see. Let me show you the cover real quick. It's really cute. I really enjoy the design. The layout is crammed full of recipes. Like, they weren't kidding when they said it's over 900. There are several recipes on each page, and all of them looked really, really good. Now, I decided on a cookie. We're going to be doing this one here, the Cracker Jack cookies, mostly because when I got it in the mail, I didn't have time to go to the grocery store, and I really wanted to go ahead and just make something out of it immediately, and that is ingredients that I already had on hand. But in another episode, I will be picking out a main dish out of this cookbook so we can do a more in-depth review. But I also really wanted you to see this and appreciate the names of these cookies. This one intrigued me, boyfriend cookies. I've never heard of that, but I have never heard of aggression cookies ever. I don't know what this means, but it really had me intrigued. The only reason why I didn't pick this one is because it required 6 sticks of butter. I did not have 6 sticks. I only had 4. So that kind of precluded that one. But we may come back to this one. If I can find some butter on sale, we might be making some aggression cookies and seeing what that would taste like. So I'm ready to get started. Let's go ahead and see what Cracker Jack cookies really taste like. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the cookie batter ready in the mixer, and then we will come back together to put in the 3 extra special ingredients. That was such an arm workout. I'm actually tired after that now, but we finally got it ready, and I've got my cookie sheets greased so we can begin to put our cookies on there, and I cannot stop eating this. I keep getting handfuls of it and just munching on it. Why? Okay, so I've got one pan in the oven, I've got one pan ready to go, and I thought we would take this time to kind of look a little bit more into the cookbook itself. You can see it has a really nice layout. I like the fact that it actually had this page in there so you can put, do like a quick reference of your favorites in here. We start out with breads and breakfast and pizza, and you can see there is quite a bit just in this one chapter. You can also see that this thing is really thick. So it is full of really good looking recipes. Like I said, we might actually do this again with a main dish because I'd really like to cook a couple of times out of this and just see what we get. So far, I've been really happy with it. The $19 that you saw in the ad, that does include the shipping to you, so you're not paying any extra on that. And it kind of reminds me of one of those cookbooks that you used to get from, like, you know, craft fairs or church suppers and fundraisers, where, you know, all the women in the church would come together and just pour in all their favorite recipes, and you can really get some good gems out of there, which I suspect these cookies are gonna be one of them. So I will be putting the address in the description box below if this is something that you would be interested in ordering. I think it's a really cute idea that the women in this community all got together, pooled their best recipes, and made what looks like a really good cookbook that is packed with recipes. Okay, I smell, oh yeah, those are done. Oh, they look really good. They smell so good. It's gonna be really hard, but we're gonna let these cool if we can, and then do our taste test. I think we're finally ready. I actually think I did a little bit better on the second pan I just pulled out than the first one, because I might have left these in the oven just a hair too long. But I'm gonna go ahead and try the first batch anyway. They still have like a nice goo to it, so that's good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try to describe these. It's like a chocolate chip cookie without the chocolate chips, an oatmeal cookie and without the raisins, and a Rice Krispie treat all rolled into one cookie and then baked. It is really good. It's not sickly sweet, which is what I was a little bit afraid of. It's actually got a really nice balance, and the texture, if you love like little crunchy things like Rice Krispie treats and things that's got like a nice chew to it like an oatmeal cookie, you're really gonna like these. I can see how these are gonna be really addictive, and I'm gonna have to somehow pace myself. Now, of course, I will put this recipe in the description box below. I will also put where you can find this cookbook if you want to order that. If you really like cookbooks like that are just jam-packed full of community recipes, then you're really gonna like this one. So I really hope that you try these, and if you do, let me know below if you really liked them and what you thought about them, and I will see you next time on, I don't know, who knows? We'll have something in the rotation for a Monday video, I'm sure. Hope you really enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Okay, just as a quick PS, I took a picture of these. Mitch is working outside, so I took a picture of these and sent it to his phone. Let's see how long it takes him to get into the house and get a cookie.
Cookie?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, that was really fast. There you go.
Cookie.
And if you like historical cooking and unusual cookbooks, here's 2 more videos you might enjoy. And make sure to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures.